Growing my glutes has never been an easy task. Whenever I exercise and work out, I tend to compensate my weak glute muscles with my leg muscles, causing my leg muscles to grow disproportionately. Between September to November of this year, I managed to gain almost half a pound of muscle on my glutes, making sure to always do this glute activation routine before all of my lower body workouts. It's 5 minutes long, 7 different exercises, 45 seconds each. Alright, let's get started. We're starting on our backs, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, pressing into your feet, lift your hips off the floor. Squeeze those glutes at the top to wake them up and get those juices flowing. Lower on the exhale and try to keep your glutes off the floor the entire time. Inhale, lift. Keeping your hips off the floor the entire time for the next one, sway your hips to one side and pulse 3 times. Sway to the other side and pulse. Keep moving back and forth and don't forget to breathe. In a few seconds, cross your left foot on top of your right thigh and lift the right glute up. Engage the left inner thigh by pushing it open. Mind-muscle connection is super important and it requires all of your focus. Lower the right glute on the exhale and inhale, lift. Alright, change your legs, cross the right foot on top of the left thigh and lift. Remember to engage the right inner thigh to keep that knee open. Alright, in a few seconds, uncross your legs and just stay in high bridge. Open your feet a little bit wider and squeezing the inner thighs and glutes. Bring your knees together on the exhale. Inhale, open them back up, slow. Flip over onto your stomach for the next one. Have your hands out in front of you to hold your upper body on the floor, legs extended out behind you. Inhale, using only those glute and back muscles. Lift your legs up. Exhale, lower, slow. Inhale, lift. For the next one, keep your legs lifted with those strong glute muscles. Now open your legs wide, then tap your feet together twice and repeat. Great job, you guys. Your glutes should be perfectly activated and you're ready for your glute workouts. I'm going to link my own glute workout in the box down below in a week or so definitely check back for that. Good luck with the rest of your workouts, and I'll see you guys in the next one.